Before we get into today's video, I just want to wish all of you a happy new year. 2021 was an insane year and we accomplished some of our biggest goals over the past 12 months. And we can't thank you guys enough for all of the continued support and watching the videos. We're hoping 2022 will be another great year for us, but I'm not sure if we can top 2021, guys. I mean, going the 7 in the MR2 and our channel rolling over 1 million subscribers, two of the biggest achievements this channel has ever seen, and it's just been insane. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and cheers to 2022.
You won't see much.
I just open it here.
So you can't see much.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it gets a little serious inside.
This thing bumps.
It's a wild.
Might be louder than Wago even.
I had my hat off in it once and my hair was standing straight up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Think the neighbors would like that?
It's a different kind of, what would you call that sound? It's just different.
You have to keep the windows rolled down.
That one's out.
It won't like blow the glass out of it.
No, I broke the windshield once. That's why
did it?
This got put in.
All right, we're gonna give this old Tahoe a listen here. Oh Jesus.
I don't know how you can hear out.
You can barely breathe in there. Jesus.
Here, we'll give you a lows.
Holy crap. Ow.
It does 161.
161 decibels?
Yeah.
Is it safe for your ears? I feel like that can't be good for your ears.
It's low bass. It's not high. The high stuff is what's terrible for you. I've been doing this for 30 years and I can still hear, so.
Still can hear fine?
Yeah, it's not terrible.
I like to live into the dishes, the Mexican on the green, pattern leather, pink stripe, you should see string size toilet with this cat ready.
That is fantastic. Oh brother, I always love when you come by. This is great. This is awesome.
A lot of
This
fun.
thing is sick.
It doesn't go fast, that's for sure.
All right guys, we are back at the shop and we got our ring in for the final piston, the built motor for the Razzle Dazzle here. We're getting that guy put in right now. We went ahead and got this side all done. The DevCon is all dried up. We got our holes drilled, ready to go. This head is on, done, ready to go. Now we just gotta get this side in and then we can assemble the rest of the engine here. Get it all put back together.
Very close.
Yep, couple day delay here, but got our ring. Now we can get this thing all put together.
Yep. Shout out to Trom though, for real, for overnighting piston ring so fast.
Yeah, we got him quick. Thank you, Barry. And there she is. All of our pistons are in. We can get this head on, get this thing together. All right guys, we are making some good progress. I got the back of the Dazzle all power washed out, getting ready to put our new engine inside. We had to get all the tires aired up, flip this thing around, getting ready to put this thing in position because we have ourselves a complete motor over here on the stand. Almost.
Very
Missing a
close.
couple things. Both heads are on, valve covers are on, front plastic pieces are on, pulley, alternator, oil pump, all that good stuff. We got our feed for the turbo off the side there. We are just about good to go. We got to get the intake on and we got to get the pump pickup and oil pan on, and we have the engine that blew up here on the engine hoist, and we are going to pull this oil pan off and reuse it because it has our bung for the oil return off of the turbo there. And then once we get that swapped over to our new engine, we can go ahead, get that guy off of the stand, and we can start getting the flywheel and all that good stuff on there, get everything mated up to our transmission, and then get it back onto the engine hoist and put this thing in.
And go brum brum brum.
Yep, hopefully it runs, it turns over good. This engine was fighting us, but we've just been going, boys, getting this thing put together, because we were a little behind schedule here. This was supposed to be done about 3 days ago, but it is together and complete. Hopefully no issues here. And the razzle dazzle is just about ready to go. It's looking so good. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that stuff we just talked about and keep on going.
See a wrist pin.
Big F. Look at all that.
You missed it. The wrist pin is in there somewhere.
Is it? Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Collecting the oil.
Yeah, it's like right up front there.
Oh, yep.
Yep.
Yeah, oh, that's a piece of a wrist pin.
What's left of it?
It broke that.
Damn.
That is absolute carnage. We gotta. There's our oil ring.
Should have just reused that one.
Yeah, there's our missing ring.
Damn.
Whoa. Yep, that motor's.
Big trash.
Yeah, look at this.
Windage trash.
Look at that bulge.
Yeah, just can't focus on it, but that's pretty wild.
Is that a piston, or are you just excited to see me? So yeah, we're gonna have to clean out that oil pan pretty good, because once again, we destroyed another J series. Remember the first one on the 240?
Yep.
It was about
pretty similar.
It was about on that level, because there's a whole piston right there in that windage tray. Yeah, get that cleaned out and get our new pan on, and then we'll be pretty much ready to go.
Sick.
All right, guys, we got the engine lowered back down. We are getting ready to mate up our Mendiola transmission to the engine here. We just got the Clutch Masters twin disc on there, and that is one nice unit there. I think that should hold plenty of power,
Yeah.
as compared to the single disc we had.
Yeah, that thing just didn't have nothing. It was what, like a stage 3, like probably rated for 200 foot-pounds. If that.
So
this
quite the
new
upgrade
unit-
here. Huge shout out to Clutch Masters. They got that made custom for us. We sent in our old one, and then they just replicated it in a twin disc, so that is good to go. Everything is on, and now we can go ahead and get this guy mated up. That's about it. After this, we can get it back into the buggy.
Yep.
Keep going from there.
Button up the little stuff.
Oh yeah, there she is.
Like a glove.
I'm sorry for your future little transmission, but you are getting all the power.
You're about to get your innards rearranged. Sorry, pal.
Pray for this transmission, boys. It is time to get this engine back into the dazzle.
Yes,
It's going down.
going down in D-Town.
Oh yeah, boys. Fully built J series for this thing. She's gonna rip.
Janky built J-Series.
Yeah, it didn't want to go together for the last few days, but we're making it happen here. Check it out, guys. The Razzle Dazzle has an engine once again. We still gotta get some more things buttoned up.
It's close.
But we're starting to run out of time. It is actually currently New Year's Eve. We got some plans for tonight. We'll be back at the shop here in a minute. Brent's working on Show Enough over there. They're trying to get that thing running. They've been busy all day. And we've just been hustling, trying to get as far as we can on the Razzle Dazzle here. But we made a lot of progress today. Engine is back in, and we really just got to get the injectors cleaned out. That's going to take us a second. That's our main delay right now. We'll make sure there's no more sand or anything in those from when we took it to the dunes. Get the injectors clean. We'll get those in there. Slap the intake on. We can plug the harness in, get oil in it, and then test fire it. Make sure it sounds good.
Yeah.
And then
we got our snow, so we might be able to take it out and rip it in the snow.
It is currently snowing outside.
So.
Something also that time lapse didn't show when we put the engine in is we got it down in there and we bolted everything down and we forgot the exhaust manifolds because it goes around the whole bottom of the engine. So we actually had to lift it all the way back out again and put that back on there. So there's that as well. But that is done, ready to go. And
on them builds that you don't take apart, you forget where things go and what order they need to go in.
we haven't worked on this thing in a minute.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
But we'll be back here tonight. May or may not get some more progress done on this thing, but at least the engine is back in this thing, and she'll be running within the next day or two of working on it for sure. So we're gonna call it there, and we might come back, but I just don't know.
I can't wait to make 500-600 horsepower on the dyno real quick, and
hopefully the snow stays on the ground. We can
go feel it out, dude.
Fling some rooster tails. That'd be sick. But
that'd be really cool.
Yep, that's what we're calling it for tonight, though, boys. Engine's back in, fully built Razzle Dazzle.
1,000 horsepower or bust. Let's go.
You have the back pressure sensor, the coolant pressure sensor, literally every possible sensor, the Fuel Tech wired up, the freaking wastegate travel sensor, and you're starting it on brake clean and a drill for the pump. Nothing changes.
Nothing changed. Part of the magic.
And the TPS is dangling off. That's the only sensor.
He's my TPS. Joe knows.
I don't even have the starter in here.
I got that right here.
Yeah, the starter.
Todd's the starter.
I'm the starter.
The starter.
I got nothing. I just watch.
We're getting there.
The most legit car in the shop right now, and we still start it with some loose wires.
For some reason.
Just how it goes.
We learned from you, Doug.
Some reason.
Sorry, I'm a bad influence.
That's cool. I shouldn't miss third though. And it is, what time is it?
11:26.
You got her.
11:26, 27, something like that. She's a little fat, but we'll get her worked out.
No, it's 13.9.
Man, it was smoking.
No, I know. I'm just telling you.
It sounds like a hole is dead.
What it's saying.
Maybe a hole's down.
What it was saying was 13.9.
Could be the one that yeah, that one coil.
one coil where the hole's funny.
Yeah. Awesome. There you go. Just before midnight. So 2022, we can just make it.
Technically ran this year.
Technically ran this year.
Well, we are rolling out, but technically Show Enough does run
In 2021.
in 2021 with 30 minutes to spare.
Yeah.
But we've
32.
accomplished a lot this year. It's been crazy.
It has
Feels
been.
good to
This guy
be
went
back.
7s this year, man.
Yeah, 7s and hit a million and
Yeah, it's been
all
nonstop.
that good stuff.
Yep,
So
so
it's been
cool.
crazy. Hopefully 2022 has a lot in store for us.
I think he's got big plans for all of us, and I'm super excited for what we're all gonna do for you guys, for all of you guys. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
But we got some other things to attend to, and
Yeah.
it's gonna be it. Show Enough runs.
So we're showing up.
After what, 3 years?
3+, right? I think. I don't even know. It's been way too long. Appreciate you guys.
Sounds a little rough, but they'll get it figured out.
Yeah.
It's just down a hole or something. It's no
Hey,
big
there's,
deal.
yeah. Trust me, it's been a long process. So
Well,
bound to be some bugs.
see you guys.
All right, bye.